How you doing, little buddy? How you doing now? You feeling alright? You wanna fucking fly? Huh? Or you want me to take you to the animal rescue center or something? But unfortunately in this fucking Kashmir we don't have one here. You got it, bitch? You got it? This is a fucking wild country, man. People die here. What's your name, man? Marcos. Let me call you
Maggie.
Carlos.
Carlos.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Do you like it, man? Do you like your name?
Yeah.
Are you feeling hungry or something?
Yeah.
I can't give you anything. If you want a joint or something, I can give you that. Alright? Alright, buddy?
He's fucking too cute.
Or you want me to take you to the police station or something? You want to lodge an FIR? Do you know the number who hit you? Do you know the car?
No, 99.
Do you know the car number? Do you know the license plate number or something?
No, unfortunately.
Or you don't know nothing? Huh?
He can't tell me nothing.
First tell me one fucking thing, okay? Why the fuck you were, flying so low in this fucking Kashmir, man? You know people are fucking blind here.
They're white, belgas, and
They fucking hit people on the roads. No fucking law here. You see the fucking surroundings? This is a fucking village, man. Okay, I think you're feeling a little power now. Huh, bitch? You don't want to say thank you to me? Fucking, I rescued you, man. Or you want to fuck me now? Huh?
yes.